Today I have something really exciting to share with you. Now this is not just any advent calendar. This is the Papercraft Society debut advent calendar. The first one of its kind. This is a unique kit that is going to give you over £112 worth of crafting product, all handpicked and designed by our very own CraftStash craft experts. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the brand Papercraft Society, then this is an exclusive brand we have at CraftStash. Now, Papercraft Society offers you a monthly craft box delivered to your door with lots of card making goodies and inspiration. You can find out more about those kits in the description below. Now, before we dive in and have a look inside, I want to remind you that this is a limited stock item. We are expecting a huge demand from this, and as a Papercraft Society member, you would get first dibs on it. Now, the value is absolutely incredible here. You will not believe the price for everything you're getting. Now, just look at this box. Our team has thoughtfully designed it to hold as many crafting goodies as possible. Inside, you're going to find 25 wallets, one for each day leading up to Christmas. So what might you find inside these wallets? Some items are going to be Christmas themed, but many others will be perfect for all year and all occasion card making. Inside each wallet, you're going to find exclusive mini collections from Made to Surprise, Simply Made Crafts, Card Making Magic, Textures, My Creative Life, and Creative Craft products. There's going to be a mixture of dies, stamp sets, embossing folders, stencils, papers, cardstock, toppers, ephemera, and so much more. But that's not all. Each day leading up to Christmas, a CraftStash designer will share a video to inspire you to craft. We'll have videos from Sam Calcott, Helen Griffin, Christina Griffiths, Katie Skilton, and me, Lou Collins. There's also going to be free downloads available to coordinate with and accompany the advent calendar. And now what you're all asking is, how much does it cost? This stunning advent calendar filled with endless crafting fun and beautiful additions to your craft room is going to be at the early bird price of $34.99. Plus, if you're a CraftStash VIP member, you're going to get an additional 10% off, and that's with free UK shipping. An absolute steal for what it offers. So don't wait, grab yours today, as we do expect this to sell fast. To save your extra 10%, don't forget to sign up to be a VIP member by seeing the details below. Now, $34.99 is absolutely phenomenal. So let us know in the comments if you're going to be popping one of these into your basket.